Pomegranate juice has become pretty popular in recent years, and for good reason. It's a tasty and refreshing beverage packed full of health-boosting nutrients. Made by squeezing the fruit of the pomegranate, pomegranate juice is a bittersweet health drink loaded with powerful antioxidants. Native to Asia, pomegranates are red, spherical fruits that have been cultivated and used for medicinal purposes for centuries. Scientifically known as Punica granatum, pomegranates contain hundreds of tiny, white seeds encased in red sacs of juice. These are called arils. Arils can be removed and eaten or pressed into a juice. Pomegranates are a great source of essential vitamins and minerals. In fact, just one pomegranate contains about 28 milligrams of vitamin C, which is nearly 50% of the recommended daily intake. A single pomegranate also contains 536 milligrams of potassium, almost all of which is retained when the arils are pressed into juice. Health benefits of pomegranate juice. Aside from being a delicious and refreshing drink, however, pomegranate juice is linked to a number of important health benefits. For instance, drinking pomegranate juice on a regular basis can actually help reduce inflammation. Since pomegranate juice is so high in antioxidants, like punicolagen, it can protect your cells from free radicals and help ward off disease and certain types of cancer. It may also help rejuvenate and improve the quality of your skin. In addition to punicolagen, the vitamin C in pomegranate juice can help aid in the production of collagen, a naturally occurring protein that can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and increase the elasticity of the skin. Furthermore, drinking pomegranate juice regularly may even help promote heart health. That's because the antioxidants in pomegranate juice can help lower blood pressure and reduce the amount of LDL cholesterol in the body.